Hi guys, Katie Ferraro here. I'm a registered dietitian, college nutrition professor, and mom of 7 kids. And just like a lot of you, I really struggled with spoon feeding my oldest baby. She absolutely hated being spoon fed, and our meal times devolved into a downright battleground. So with my next babies, quadruplets, I vowed that we were all going to have a much more positive foray into solid foods, and that's when I discovered baby-led weaning. It took a bunch of figuring out, but using baby-led weaning, our quadruplets ate 100 foods before turning 1. And baby-led weaning was such a transformative experience for our whole family that I switched the entire emphasis of my dietitian career to focus exclusively on baby-led weaning. In 2016, I created the 100 First Foods approach to baby-led weaning, which has really taken off as a global phenomenon. And I now run the largest digital community dedicated exclusively to baby-led weaning. So back when I was just starting out with baby-led weaning, I was so frustrated by the lack of quality education about how to do baby-led weaning safely. So my entire goal with this channel is to bring you evidence-based, scientifically backed information from a credentialed feeding professional about how to do baby-led weaning. Every week I'm going to drop 2 new videos on Tuesday and Friday, so be sure to subscribe and stay on top of everything happening in this exciting world of infant feeding. I absolutely love helping parents and caregivers give their babies a safe start to solid foods using baby-led weaning. I'm so glad you're here, and thanks for watching.